Other new arrival, the 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday Coupe. Have you seen this? Festival red and Alcan white over black. Ooh. This is an interesting car. Yeah.
That's right.
It's got a 455 horsepower, 383 cubic inch stroker in it.
Wow.
Which is such an odd thing to put in that car. Right. Built turbo hydromatic 400, vintage heat and air, nut and bolt restoration, Willwood front brakes. I mean, and the original transmission and engine are included.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to go back to...
Good deal.
But I think if you drive it one time with this 383 stroker, you're going to be hard-pressed to want to...
For show and go.
Yeah. I think you're very hard-pressed to say, let's put back 283 or whatever it would have been in it back in the... Probably a 328 or something weird. Pontiac or Oldsmobile had some odd engine configurations.